Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through the most demanded and fast moving collection of borderless semi-soft silk sarees. The material used is very soft, light in weight and comfortable to wear for any kind of occasions. And about the design, beautiful and unique putta weavings are there running throughout the body, along with a contrast rich pallu and a contrast plain blouse. This pretty collection you are getting in an offer price of 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even shipping charges be very less from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. Also note, our payment mode is through online only. And all these collections are fast moving, so please make sure you are always making your orders from the latest videos. Or if you wanted, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. We are having separate groups for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Our mode of purchase will be through the following steps. First, send the screenshot to the given WhatsApp number and we will confirm the availability. Once you are getting confirmation from our side, you can make quick payment for the reservation. Please note, reservation strictly after payment. Then you can provide your full address. We will dispatch the item by the next working day of your payment. For any doubts and queries, kindly feel free to contact to the given WhatsApp number. We will reply as soon as possible. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Now we are seeing semi-soft silk sarees with thin borders. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.